Take the lug nuts off, use a 21mm socket, and slide the wheel off. Use a 17mm wrench, and on the back side to prevent the stud from spinning, you should be able to put that on the link itself. And then a 16mm socket, take this nut off. If you can't find a wrench that fits, you can always use locking pliers. And take that nut off. You're going to do the same with this top one. Take that nut off. And now just grab the link and just slide it out. Now slide the new one in place. Just like that. And get the nuts started. And you can take a 14mm wrench to keep the stud from spinning. And a 15mm socket. And tighten these down. Snug them up good. You can go back with a ratchet and a socket and just make sure these are nice and tight. Now put the wheel on, line it up, and make sure the hubcap's on. Get that started. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check.